What's up, brothers, sisters, guys, and everyone else, and welcome back to Battlecast. So today, I'm going to be doing the Almighty's 100% Uber Super Rare draw. And Happy and Game Zebra was trying to get me to get one of these Ubers. But one I really do want. I want Amaterasu, Aphrodite, Poseidon, or Zeus. So let's go ahead. Let's go. Ooh, look at all the capsules. What? We got Aphrodite. This isn't even the Uber Rare guarantee, y'all. This is not the Uber Rare guarantee. So we'll have two Ubers. Who are you? We got our first Uber. We're going to have two Ubers. Ooh, it's a rocker cat. Cool. Witch cat. Cool. See, guys, I've been waiting. Another rocket cat. I've been waiting all my life. I was waiting for Aphrodite. Another Bodhisattva. Great. I was wanting Aphrodite. Cat gunslinger. Stilts cats. Okay, and ooh, who are you? Shaman cat. And the next, what are these? Figure skating cats. And we got a Amaterasu. Guys, this has got to be my most luckiest day. I am so happy. I got two Ubers. Man, this is cool. I'm shaking. Two freaking Ubers. Oh my god, let's use them all. Yes. See, the reason why I want Aphrodite is because she has uber long range. I've seen her on a video. Bishop cat. Stilts cat. I don't believe. We just got Amaterasu. I'm so happy. And Aphrodite. Thank you so much to the Gaming Zebra and Happy. You guys are the best friends I've ever had. And the Ubers. Aphrodite. Oh, and we get aliens and Amaterasu. Let's put these guys in here. Man, I'm so lucky today. Oh. Be right back. Okay, guys. So, yeah, Aphrodite and the Amaterasu. The might and beauty of the sun personified subdues enemies using her sacred mirror. Massive damage to any enemy with a trait. DT beauty, pride, love, and other stuff. Her golden bow always strikes true from afar. Deals massive damage. Okay, so we'll use them. Levels will be so much easier now.
And I looked up, and that light always get me right.
Two freaking Ubers.
And I looked up in the rearview mirror.
Ooh. So Bishop cat, a merciful cat that brings peace and love to all his followers. Charges for compassion, might slow floating, and able to communicate with the supernatural, as well as says on the wiki, might freeze floating. Red, black, looks like angels. Finally, I have some anti-angels.
Through New Jerusalem and end up come up.
Okay. So guys, this is my most lucky day, man. This is my most lucky day, guys.
The old urban high school will be more.
Hey, XP stage. Sweet XP hard. Just want to test out my new Ubers. Wait, we need one of those XP up things.
He was saying go past.
Let's bring it.
Go past Shell. I mean, make a left at Shell where you know where Dollar Tree them at, and go up and down that road right there.
Hey, we have our 2 Ubers.
Going down neighborhood market.
This is great.
Like, what door to the house?
Hey, let's just put out wildcats. Put out a bunch of wildcats, stall them.
The sheriff was up there and it was a bad wreck. But I left out enough time. The sheriff was like telling people, come on, let's go around. There's fools out there. A young couple,
Okay, so our first one we're gonna send out is Aphrodite. I think Amaterasu, since she has such long range. Oh, they cost a lot more. Let's kill some gorillas. Some of the gorillas. There's a third one. Okay, they're coming, and Aphrodite, bam! Look at her! She shoots a boat. That's so cool, man. I love you, Aphrodite. That's why I wanted you. And we need to meet Shield, and Amaterasu is next. See, look at them together. This is so cool, guys. I'm so happy. Wait, what's Amaterasu? Oh, he has a mirror. Yeah, cool. Yo, Aphrodite and Amaterasu. I said Mama. Let's go. Ubers. Go, my Ubers. Oh shoot! It's a black kangaroo. It's a black kangaroo. This is not good. Uh-oh, Amaterasu died. Aphrodite died. I don't like losing, so I'm not gonna lose. What should we play? Some Friday stage. Helpful cat hard. I need those Ubers, man. Okay, let's go. Then we need to put out Aphrodite. I'm pretty sure. So does Amaterasu mean she can hurt white enemies too? Okay, they like to send out a whole bunch of pigs. Okay, we need Aphrodite. We need Aphrodite. And we will send her out and let's see what she does. She's gonna